Do you have an error preventing the Crash-Handler.dll DLL from loading? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the issue and have the verified solution to fix your system today. Before the technical guide for Crash-Handler module, I've linked a maintenance resource to help stabilize your background processes. This is the Crash-Handler module, a generic naming convention used by dozens of proprietary applications, from specialized web tools to CAD suites, to store their localized automated crash reporting logic. If missing, the app will crash silently without generating a report, making it impossible to diagnose recurring application hangs. Now that the technicals are covered, let's run the official installer. If the host software cannot locate Crash-Handler.dll, it indicates a corruption in the localized error, reporting orchestration subfolder, and reinstalling that specific program from the developer website will restore all necessary runtime files. When a standard reinstall doesn't cut it, we move to advanced diagnostic steps to ensure the system is properly configured. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Crash-Handler module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Restarting is our first line of defense. Since that didn't clear it, we'll dive into more specific settings in step 3, and if you need to pause the video to catch up, go right ahead. If the restart failed to clear the system error, our next step is a deep cleanup of the OS servicing folders. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM space /online space /cleanup dash image space /restore health. Then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, uses Microsoft's remote server repository to overwrite damaged system source files and restore your OS framework to its original state. Before you finalize your changes, I need to emphasize the importance of using trusted sources. Remember that manual replacement of Crash-Handler.dll DLL is highly risky. Using unverified files from the internet can cause permanent damage to your Windows registry and lead to complete system failure. For a reliable way to monitor these specific library interactions, I've included a professional resource link in the description. Return to your project with a more stable environment by reviewing the maintenance-related resource linked below for Crash-Handler module references. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide saved Crash-Handler module workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.